Hi, welcome to Luscombe Suzuki Leeds. My name is Patrick, and in this short video I want to show you this really nice Renault Clio finished in a metallic red, and the car itself presents really nice. It's a diesel version, so it's very fuel it's very good on the fuel economy. You can easily get 60 miles to the gallon from this car. It's in a immaculate condition for its age, and the mileage as it's done only 56,000 miles. Also, for your peace of mind, we will do a service and MOT, so you've got a full peace of mind for next 12 months, and MOT will be without any advisories. Also, at the back you can find this chrome boot protector, so quite useful, especially in a garage. And the boot itself is very spacious. Includes your light inside, so even when it's dark you can still easily put your grocery shopping inside, or even something bigger like a pram. At the back, your passengers can enjoy sitting on a leather seats which are in immaculate condition, and as you can see, interior is really good condition. Same with roof lining. So moving on front, you can find a keyless entry, so you can press this button to open and lock the car. And as you can see, interior driver side is like new. You can find a good quality audio system, so you can enjoy good quality music while you're driving. And as you can see, interior including driver side is in a good condition as well. So as you can see, this car has done only just a short of 57,000 miles, and is due for its service. So like I was saying before, we will do a service to make your journeys easier. You can find automatic lights and automatic wipers, so both things will come on and off automatically. Also, you can find a Sat Nav and also rear parking sensors as well. So as you can see, it's really nice car. So please let me know what do you think about this car, because this car's got much more features. So if you want, I can make another video, more personalized one. So please let me know what would you like me to capture in this video. So again, please make sure you watch technician video appraisal, where one of our technicians will lift car on the ramp to show you its condition, mechanical condition, like suspension, brakes, and many more. Also, you can have a look at our reviews, as we've got plenty of very positive reviews from customers all over the country. So again, once again, thank you for watching, and I'm looking to hear from you soon. Cheers, bye for now.